Now here's one we don't get in every day at Unique, especially in classics. Look at this. 1958 Edsel Pacer convertible. Full frame off restoration. Less than 100 miles on this vehicle since it was restored. And restored to look much the way it did back in 1958 when it was sold new. Jonquil yellow Q paint coat on this one with jet black. So exterior still looking much the way it would have back in 1958. Interior, white vinyl, black cloth, and we'll get around the interior and check that out here in a bit. Underneath the hood, 361 E400 V8. So 361 is the cubic inches. 400 would be your pound-feet of torque. And just look at that front end, the iconic Edsel front end, the chrome, headlight surrounds, grille. Beautiful. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car, check out the undersides. Take a look at the undersides. You got to see those. Interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at the bright work, how nicely that lines up, how straight those long panels are. Now, as far as the top, I'm going to shoot the video with the top up on this one. At the owner's request, since the restoration, this top has never been lowered. It is a power top, but you can see there's not a wrinkle in that, how new and nice it is. So we're going to leave it up for this video for the pictures. And that is up to the next owner, if they'd like to put the top down and use it as a convertible. There's that black inlay, the jet black inlay. And as you can see, it is riding on a 5-spoke chrome wheel. I'm going to show you something else here in a second when we get back to the corner. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Continental kit back here. All right, here's what I was talking about. A few things that are also going to go along with this. Wheel covers, painted correct. Fender skirts. Also a binder of the restoration work in progress. And take a look at the underside. You can see the bottom sides of those pans on the underside of the car in the still pictures. And also a convertible top boot will be included with the car. And those still pictures, once again, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As we go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side of this fully restored car. A couple other options on this vehicle. It does have the push button automatic, which will be in the center of the steering wheel. And when we start it up and let you see it run or let you hear it run, we're going to check that out also. 291 rear end. And again, less than 1,000 miles on the restoration. Frame off restoration of this beautiful classic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Look at the vinyl and cloth, and again, the condition. Wow. Vinyl top on the driver's side. There's just not a wrinkle on it. You can tell it is brand new. And once again, never been down. Door panels, all redone. As far as this door tag or data tag, that will be in the still pictures also. There's that push button automatic. All right, check out this speedometer. And this is the original miles of the car before the restoration, 77,161. All right. Of course, key over here. So easily that starts, I didn't even pump it. That was a cold start too. You can see engine cold here. Look at this. Tachometer. That is working. Fuel gauge, clock, and we do have some climate control right over there. Turning the outside here. All right, take a look at the dash. I have not been able to get the radio to power up, FYI. Do not have the radio working, or the wipers. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, 361 V8 underneath the hood. Of an E400 and a valve cover, and again, that's going to be the pound-feet of torque. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open so we can check out the power plant. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the underside of the hood. Engine bay, I think we know how this is going to look. Fully restored like the rest of the car. And again, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. .361. Same valve cover there, the V400. Listen how smooth that is. Sounds good. Looks good. Won't see one of these every day. 1958 Edsel Pacer convertible. Full restoration, less than 100 miles on it. Convertible top is never been down. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We call in or email.